Guys, I did get my printer back, so today I'm going to try to print this middle piece here. So yeah, this is for my car. I'm not able to lift the chair up and down, so now I have just 13mm wrench in my car, so I have to carry it around, so as this one isn't working, so we'll try to fix it. I did design this part on FreeCut. I was really surprised how easy it was. It took me about an hour. It was printed in 30 minutes, and there's final piece. It fits right in. So it was and here we can see that how well it works and how it looks.